Hey everyone, Brian Jeff back from Cloutsnchara.com, here to do another box for John, 09 times Heroes and Prospects.
Number 19, on the road to 20.
There we go. Base.
Ryan Ellis. Memorial Cup winners.
Base.
Base.
Oh, that's back up.
Yeah. You put your lights on it?
Yep.
Base.
Let's hope I'm not wrong. No, there's something. Game used jersey black, Joey Hishin.
Can't hit anything crazy, eh?
No, it's killing me.
My honest thoughts now is there's got to be something gigantic in this section.
Yeah, there has to be.
Knowing in the game, I have a feeling.
Base.
Base.
I'm still waiting on 2 autographs in the game brief. So. Whatever this is, looks like it has at least a bit of a seam.
And to match his jersey,
The Joey
Joey
Hishin.
Hishin.
That's better. AHL grad, 2-color with a big seam, 1 of 30. Marc-Andre Fleury.
There we go.
So there we go. That's a nice improvement.
20 later on in the week, he says.
Base. AHL All-Star Legends, Drew Stafford.
Base.
Still waiting on an autograph, and maybe if we're lucky, a bonus hit. Or something.
Yeah. Subway Super Series, Peter Holland, jersey, black.
Base. Last pack should be an autograph. Should be. And it is. John McFarland. Autograph.
There you go, guys. That was John's box, ending with a John hit.
1 of 30.
See you guys soon. Cloutsnchara.